Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make a QR code for free. So QR codes are great because people can scan them and instantly go to a website. For example, in this video, I'm going to create one that takes people directly to my channel. So you can use this for your business, website, or contact information, and you can add the QR code to videos, post it online, or print it. People can then easily scan it with their phone camera instead of typing it in a web address. And I'll walk you through it. So first, open your web browser like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, etc. Then get the link that you want to use. I'm going to use my Spill the Tea YouTube channel's link. And after that, you need to go to a QR code generator website. You can first go ahead and use the search bar and you'll get various different websites. The first one we have is MeQR. I'm going to go ahead and use this website for now. Now tap on this URL or link section and here put your link that you want to. Now name your QR and you can also select the content category, which is optional. Then go ahead and select customize and download QR. You can go through these pre-made templates and select one if you prefer. In the right hand side of the screen, which is highlighted in purple color. Now rename it and tap on save to save it on your computer. Now here you can access the QR code that you just created. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.